So guys, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please, before we get started, click on that subscribe button, like and share. So we would be taking a quick analysis on this GBP JPY. We would want to see where this GBP JPY will be moving for today, right? So to actually predict this move, we'll do a quick analysis. By the way, this will take we will take a look at this movement here. We can see that on this daily time frame I am using, we can see that this place I've highlighted is our eyes. We kind of see this price once it came to this same level, we saw a reaction at this level, right? It also came up to this level, reaction here. We saw this price came to this level, reaction, and price came to this level, reaction. We kind of take it like our resistance level, and this mark below here, which is support level. See, price came to this level, we kind of have it as like a support level, or kind of, let's take a look at this movement here. I think this was where the support level itself actually occurred. It was kind of here, the price level, the level occurred here. So we saw that price came to this level, reacted up, it pushes up, came to this same level, pushes up, came to this level, pushes up, came to this level, pushes up. So we can take that as our support level. Now that this price actually wants roll up, right? Once the price roll up, it actually did not give it our resistance level, right? Then we now started having this drop. So basically, if you want to see it, we can kind of see like a pullback level on the full trend light, on the full daily trend. We can see this huge impulse movements. Of course, when this huge impulse movements occurred, we should have like a pullback that will occur, right? A pullback should occur. So this is one of the pullback that has occurred. So what we are expecting next is again another bullish move, right? That will take out this ice. That is on the full trend. I think it will occur, it will happen. You will be able to see the movements by next week. But for today movements, we want to see where the movement will be making for today, right? So actually predict this movement for today, guys. We would actually first of all look at this 10-period moving average. We saw that this 10-period moving average is still above it, price is still above it, meaning we have to still go long, right? So if you have to trade it with a 10-period moving average, we have to still go long. But to place this trade itself, we would go to the 4-hour time frame. Now take a look at this 4-hour time frame, right? On this 4-hour time frame, we are on a bearish move, so we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So what we clearly can see and what price is clearly playing out right now is that this GBP to JPY is dropping. So we can see this movement here, a drop, a correction, another drop, right? It came to this level, so we are kind of seeing like a correction. So once this correction is over, we should kind of see another drop again. It is exactly what we are expecting to see on this GBP USD, GBP JPY, by the way. So probably once the correction is over, then a drop. Notice that this correction is on a bullish move. So if you want to take this trade, we can go bullish, by the way. You can still go bullish, by the way. So after this trade, then a drop should occur. But before this drop occurred, it will depend on how the JPY index will play out, right? This is how the JPY index looks like. This is what it looks like. We saw that this JPY index, it has been dropping for a period of time. Then it got to a certain time when this price started ranging. You can highlight its resistance top here, support level here. So price was broke below this resistance level, came back to test it and broke above it, came to this resistance level again, right? Now it has dropped to this support level. What we are seeing on this JPY index is that this price should actually roll up again to come and hit this resistance level, right? So once this price is coming to hit this resistance level, then will I say fortunately or unfortunately, we'll continue to get a drop on GBP JPY. But before that, at least we should kind of see like a bullish move, then a pullback should occur. So that pullback, once that pullback will be occurring, then we should kind of see like a bullish move on GBP JPY. So this is now on the 4-hour time frame. So this is what we can now see on the 4-hour time frame, a bullish move, right? A pullback is occurring on this JPY index. So this pullback is a bearish move, meaning as this JPY index is giving us that bearish, then we should see that bullish move on this GBP, right? So as that JPY is giving us the bearish, right, then we should see that bullish on this GBP to our JPY. But once this JPY index now later corrects and start giving us that bullish move, then what I can say is that this GBP to JPY will now continue to drop. So if you are to take this trade, we are still on a bearish move on GBP JPY. So I want you guys to sit that way, sit on the trend that GBP JPY is still on a bearish move. You can see these movements like this. You can see the movements like this: a bearish move, a correction, another bearish move. Now we are currently on a correction. Once the correction is over, then we'll have another bearish move again. So GBP JPY, we are still on a bearish move, but a correction is occurring. Once the correction is over, then we can now continue our bearish move.